Here's the question. What do you think happened here? What do you think caused that? Best answer in the comments gets a prize sent your way. What happened here? What caused it? Best answer, prize, and it's gonna be a good one. It won't be him, but it'll be a good one.
If you're gonna do this contest, I'm gonna be the judge. So you better try your best.
What is up, y'all? Have you ever wondered about the risks of buying a big multifamily property? We're here in Forsyth, Georgia. That's middle Georgia, just south of Atlanta. We're buying this 96 unit building. We're doing due diligence today, and that's what we're gonna walk you through. We got our property management company, we got contractors, we got our asset manager here, Lindsay. We have students who have come through the program, a couple months ago, who are now here. They're potential partners on the deal as well. Today I'm gonna walk you through due diligence to make sure that you're safe on your deals. Let's go. Hey, just a reminder, my name is Tyler Devereaux, and I own 3,500 something units across the US, hundreds of millions of dollars of real estate. And today we are at a piece of real estate that we may just put on our own pocket. Now listen, I can teach you to do the exact same thing with my company, the Multifamily Mindset, where we train thousands of students. And I got this dude right here. This is Paxton Devereaux, and this is his first property due diligence. So if it's yours, it's also his. We're gonna teach you both. Let's go. All right, so we have 3 teams dividing conquer. You got 96 units, so it's a lot to get through. We have 2 days to get through it. So we have 3 teams dividing and conquering. And over here we have Hannah and Grace. They were in our class, man, probably less than 6 months ago. And now they are here doing due diligence. They're partners on this deal. It's fun to see them get their, sink their claws into everything. So when we come in the interior, lots of due diligence on the interior. Mark does a lot. He has this whole checklist that he's going through. He works with the property management company, AMC, to make sure that, man, our business plan is solid and we know what's gonna happen when we turn these units. But when we come in, we've already planned to turn a number of them into premium products, some classic. So this would be considered like a not quite premium, but definitely not premium, but a little bit better than classic. But something in this condition, that's pretty decent condition, we'd probably just keep it a classic until it gets time to like really do a better turn on it. All right, so we kind of look at it in different phases, okay, when we come into a unit like this. Phase 1 is just the general condition. So the flooring, is it, needs to be replaced? Clean, this would just be replaced. Is it in good condition, bad condition? How bad is it, right? Then we also look at ceilings, right? Is there any cracks? Is there any watermarks? Just the general condition. The walls, do we need to repaint? Something like this definitely need to repaint. And then lighting, is the lighting functional? Is it working? Then we would look at the appliances, right? Are they outdated or are they in good condition? Cupboards, right? Good condition, outdated. Just the general condition. Then we would look at doors, windows, light fixtures I mentioned, like are they in good condition? Are they there? And then we look at the condition of the walls, right? As much as we love our kids and their artwork, the next family probably isn't gonna like that right there. Once again, the doors and the frames. Are they in good working condition? Any holes in the doors? And that's your basic general condition. Now we're gonna go deeper into some things. One more thing I want to point out with the windows, we need to make sure that there's screens on every single unit. One of the units we saw earlier, the screen was bad.
Yeah, we'll flip that around real quick.
Yeah, I believe somebody done put that one on.
Oh, so something's dead in here. So this is what we, backside of the smell in here.
Horrible.
Oh my gosh, I literally got puke. Like, no. Holy shit. What is the smell in there? Woo! That one's actually, looks like it's newly turned even, right? What is that smell?
Somebody done sprayed something in the program.
Damn. That's rough, man.
Yeah, I probably. Oh, I bet the floor covering man was in there. It's probably some of that liquid stuff that he used on that floor.
I don't know, man. That smells like somebody buried a dead body underneath that floor. Jeez. That's rough, dude. So phase 1, I told you, was the general condition. Phase 2 is coming to the kitchen. Okay, you're looking at really threefold thing. Okay, you're looking at the cabinets and the countertops. You're looking at the condition that they're in, and then the material. So this is definitely looks like an overspray. The overspray is like almost like an epoxy type feel. Cheaper than replacing, but still pretty good condition. And then the cabinets, once again, condition and material. So these are the original cabinets, but they are in good condition. So if we were to turn this to a premium product, we would just really replace the fronts with some hardware. Okay, we also look at appliances. Are they updated? Do they match? Once again, just condition, and then, age. Like how old are they? But here's the thing with this particular unit. This isn't considered a premium upgrade. This would be a classic unit. But listen, the tenants in here take good care of their unit. You can tell they just take good care of it. This is what we're looking for. So in this one, we probably wouldn't have to turn it to a premium product because the tenants took good care of it. So when you're looking through this, yes, you're looking at the physical side of things, but you're also looking at the quality of the tenant base, because the quality of the tenant base is going to determine how quality your asset stays. Okay, we're also looking when we're in the kitchens, sinks and faucets. Are they in good working order? And then I'll usually look under the sink as well for any leaks or anything like that. Also, one time during my unit walkthrough, I looked underneath the sink and there was a tray of marijuana. And that was a nice little surprise. Anywho, and then we're looking for upgrades that we might do, right? So upgrades from the appliances or the lining. But once again, this is in good condition. So that's phase 2. Phase 1, general condition. Phase 2, kitchen. Let me take you to phase 3. Whew, so we just found a unit that was occupied, but we thought it was occupied there. They gone, they ain't here. And they must have left in a hurry because they've got fresh bath water, not fresh bath water, but bath water, and they left the bath toys. So this is one of the pros, is the value add. We're gonna actually take those bath toys, we're gonna sell them to the other tenants. Once again, another way to just drive values up. Hey, scoop those up, bro, that's your job.
What?
Yeah. So phase 3 of the bathroom, we're looking at the fixtures. And when I say fixtures, I mean lighting fixtures. We're looking at faucets, I'll talk about this here in a second as well. Toilets. All these look new and in good condition. And then also the showers, the fixtures. And so this, immediately I can tell. I'm also looking for value add opportunities, okay, ways to decrease expenses. This is definitely not an energy efficient shower head. We put something like that and it'll reduce water flow. This is also not an energy efficient toilet. You can tell because if you look in there, the casing in there would be different. This is not energy efficient, it's a regular 4-gallon flush. But man, on a property like this, you have 96 units, so over 100 toilets for sure that you can reduce the flush by 1/3. It's gonna save your water bill for sure. So I also look at ventilation. Is there good ventilation? Is there any water buildup? Is there any water marks? And then also just the plumbing. Like, does the water pressure work okay? Maybe we turn this on, maybe we don't. I'd also look underneath here as well for any mold or anything like that. That's phase 3, your bathrooms. All right, termites. You've been here, have you been on site for how long?
30 minutes maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
He's quick and he already found some termites. Take a look.
So it really comes to no surprise to me to see something like this. What we're looking at is decking, all right, just plywood. Below that is soil, maybe about 4 to 6 inches down from this level. Termites in Georgia every 3 square feet. So it's very easy for them to access something like this because it's right on the ground. Here we're standing on concrete. Well, this is the end of the original structure, and this was an addition that was put on for storage means, and probably not the best substrate. Ideally, a slab or something like that would have been poured, but this is wood directly on soil, and not surprising to see activity in something like this here in the state of Georgia.
How much of a concern would you say that is?
Scale of 1 to 10, 10 being a severe, maybe a 0.5.
Hey, let's
Okay,
go.
but the thing is, with termites being every 3 square feet, think of the total square footage of all the properties combined. All right, so that threat of them coming up through the concrete slab or through plumbing line areas is probable.
Yeah.
You know, so as an investor, you want to protect it somehow or another. Insurance doesn't cover this, just our industry does.
Woo! That is due diligence on a 96 unit building here in Forsyth, Georgia. And listen, if you learned something from this, which if you didn't, go back and rewatch. But if you did, go share, go subscribe. Make sure that you check out the next video that we put out. And listen, Pax, did you learn anything today?
Yep.
What did you learn?
Well, I learned that what due diligence is.
What due diligence is. All right, and what do you got to tell them?
If you are a parent watching this video, then make sure you teach all the things that we taught you to your kids, and like my dad taught me.
Ooh, waxing on you. Hey, don't be that parent dropping the ball teaching your kids about, well, I don't know, some dumb shit that ain't gonna make them wealthy like apartment buildings. Let's go. Hey, too slow. Go do your due diligence.